everyone, welcome. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. I'm very happy that you are here because I am going to share with you something that I feel, personally speaking, for me, 99.99% sure that I am definitely going to have money to make from this stock over the long term. It won't be so long, within the next 5 years. If you're not interested in holding something for the next, let's say, 5 years, then fine, you probably already left the video. But if you're looking for long term, a stock that has proven itself, it has proven itself, and it has reached right now the opportunity of a lifetime, the opportunity probably of a lifetime, because 5-10 years from now it's going to be only higher. I don't think it'll ever get this low ever again. But again, you never know. The market's crazy. Overall, though, I'm very, 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 very extremely bullish. All right, so it's rare to be able to make a video and be, I guess, so bullish. So before I begin, I want to share something. In the morning, now it says 12:28 here p.m. That's Greek time if you're new. So obviously it's going to show for me the Greek time. If you go 7 hours back, that is, let me count back, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 o'clock in the morning, right? 5:30 in the morning, actually. At 5:30 New York Eastern time, 5:30 in the morning, I left this message in my Discord. It's a message that hurts to watch, to be honest. But I told people, members in the Discord, check out ASNS, Actelis Networking Corporation. It's on a spike, I tell them. It's up 12.5% at 5:30 in the morning. It's at $4 a share. Actelis Networking regains NASDAQ compliance for minimum bid price, I tell them. And I also told them that, look, it's a free float. It's a low floater, just 1 million, right? So, if you put all this together, 1 + 1 = 2. You knew this thing was going to go up, right? I knew it. But for some reason, some weird, strange reason, which till this moment I still cannot explain, I typed, I'm not buying this stock, but I'll keep an eye on it. And then I forgot about it. And I didn't buy it. And what happened to that? Well, we went from $4 to over $10 today. So another $6 per share up, which was insane amount. Could have solved a lot of problems. Could have not have to trade for like a month. It was awesome. But anyways, I missed it. Some people on my Discord told me that they saw the message in pre-market. And they got in. One person sent me a direct message thanking me so much. So I'm happy that other people made money on it. So that was cool. Anyways.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.
One more thing, yes, before I get to the stock of a lifetime, one more thing. Roundhill sports betting and iGaming ETF. This is not the stock of a lifetime that I want to mention, but it is a good one also. I don't know if people noticed, year to date so far in 2023, this is beating the S&P 500. It's, so it's up over 17% year to date, right? It's beating the S&P 500. Doesn't matter about the hikes, doesn't matter anything. This thing is up nearly 17.5%. Something's going on here. If anybody wants to check it out. So if you want to know just a little bit about it, this ETF, which trades under the ticker symbol BETZ, BETZ, was launched by Roundhill Investments, which I had done a video in the past with the person who oversees this. I had an interview long ago. The fund invests in firms that operate in the consumer discretionary, consumer services, hotels, restaurants, leisure, casinos, gaming, and so on. And like I said, it's doing very well. Some of the top holdings: DraftKings, Flutter Entertainment, Wynn Resorts, Las Vegas, MGM Resorts, and so on. Summer's coming up, more activity in the iGaming industry, in the casinos, resorts, and all that stuff. So maybe check it out. I'm not saying that you should, but that's that. All right, let's get to the stock of a lifetime, the stock of opportunity of a decade. Because if you go back and look at this is the max lifetime chart of this company. I mean, we could go back to, I don't know, 2002, whatever it is, that it went public. What has this company done since then? Over a decade, more than a decade. What has it done? Just go higher, 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 higher. That's it. Just keep on going higher. It had crisis that it went through, 2008, a little bit of 2015 and so on. 2008, it went downwards a little bit in 2015, the pandemic 2020, but it always bounced back. It always does. It always does, and goes higher and higher. Right now, this is the opportunity of a lifetime, I say, and still, I will say that the $30 price that it has now, $30.46, which is trading as I speak, may not still be the right price. It may still fall to $28, I say, and nothing more. That's just my opinion. I think it could go to 28. There's something people might want to know about, and I'll get to that, including the Fed and the rates and the pause and the cuts. And all that stuff is going to play a huge parabolic, massive bull run effect for Brookfield Corp. And it is the stock of a lifetime, the stock of the decade right now, in my opinion, because of two reasons. Because one, it is a proven company. It is an amazing company, an amazing stock that has proven through its whole lifetime, of course, that it can only go higher and the long-term investor stands to gain. And second, it is now at a huge, steep discount, trading right now at levels that it used to be back in, I don't know, 2017, let's say, right? It's trading at a very low price, So Brookfield Corporation is an alternative asset manager and real estate investment manager firm, focuses on real estate, renewable power, infrastructure, and venture capital and private equity assets. It manages a range of public and private investment products and services for institutional and retail clients. It typically makes investments in sizable premier assets across geographies and asset classes. It invests both in its own capital as well as capital from other investors. So it uses its own capital and from other investors. Within private equity and venture capital, it focuses on acquisition, early ventures, controlled buyouts, financially distressed buyouts and corporate carve-outs, recapitalizations, convertible notes. Now, 3 days ago, the CEO of Brookfield was on CNBC. I could play this. I could play this and you can listen to what he has to say. But for some odd reason, last time I did that, included CNBC video within my video, I got a copyright strike. I don't know why. So I'm not going to play the video. But basically, Brookfield CEO on economy. He says growth is slowing around the world, but we focus on long-term businesses, right? And I like that. And I'm focused on the long-term with their stock. Now, according to the latest quarterly report, Brookfield has $225 billion of debt. Sounds scary. And around a third is floating rate debt. This means that as interest rates go down, Brookfield will pay less interest on its debt and increase its cash flow. And this is something that people might want to know about. Like I said, the stock has been going down a lot lately, the past 1 year. It's trading right now at very super attractive levels. It is very extremely close, 99% close, in my opinion, to the opportunity of a decade. And the Fed has signaled for a pause. And also we know that eventually, quite soon, the Fed will start cutting rates, not raising rates, but cutting rates. So we're headed slowly but surely, not too slow, towards the economic and financial environment where Brookfield, where it will be extremely favorable for Brookfield. And so favorable that the stock will finally start to go and do what it does historically after every crisis, go higher, right? So once the Fed cuts interest rates, Brookfield's performance in renewable energy and the utility sectors will increase. These sectors are typically defensive and attractive when rates are low, as they offer stable cash flows and high dividends. Brookfield owns and operates one of the largest renewable platforms in the world with a capacity of 24,000 megawatts and a global portfolio of regulated utilities. It is also cheaper than what it was during the pandemic levels when we look at the valuation, PE ratio, and so on. The revenue the past 8 years, as you can see here, obviously in the billions. 2018, they had $18.3 billion to go to 2022, $92.7 billion. The analysts are very bullish on the stock over the next 12 months. They give it a low of 41 bucks, right? And it's trading at 30 right now. An average of 46 and a high of 54. So with all that being said, Brookfield Corp, ticker symbol BN, for me is an amazing long-term opportunity where I can place, personally speaking for me, an X amount of money, and I won't have to stress every night and think, did I do the right choice? Did I put it in the right stock? Will 1 year, 2 years, 5 years from now, will I lose my money? Will this thing tank? Will this be this? Will be that? It is a very provable. It is a very proven company. It is an amazing company. The change in the direction that the Fed will take and the economy and the economies around the world is going to definitely benefit this company. This company has proven that it always bounces back from every crisis and just goes higher. So when it comes to investing for the future and trying to build wealth, well, this for me is one of the best. And right now it is trading at a price which is basically a huge opportunity. And maybe I'll just buy it at $30.46. And like Warren Buffett says, when you buy something that you're very sure about and you like, who cares if you have the dollar cost average? You shouldn't see that as a negative, but as a positive where you get more shares for your money. So with that being said, I'm very, very excited and I wanted to share this with you. Let me know in the comment section below if you think that this is worth the investment. And if you want to join my Patreon, Discord, and so on, the link will be in the comment section below. I wish you all the best and take care.